Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the device for continuous sharing. Enable location services and background app refresh, then grant the chosen app persistent location permission. Once done, pick the service that fits your use case. Find My for Apple, Google Maps for Android, or a managed MDM for fleets, and sign in. Make sure battery settings and Do Not Disturb won't restrict background updates. You'll want Wi-Fi and cellular enabled, if possible. Plug the device into power when available to avoid shutdowns. You now set who sees your location and how. Choose exact contacts or a group and select indefinite or until turned off sharing. Then adjust precision. Use precise for tracking versus approximate for privacy, and toggle history logging if you need movement records. Once configured, enable geofence alerts and emergency access options if available, and reduce map refresh intervals for near real-time updates. Make sure account recovery and two-factor authentication are active so only authorized people can change the settings. To complete the setup, commit to routine maintenance. Check battery levels, app permissions, and that automatic updates haven't reset settings. Once running, monitor connectivity and verify the receiver can see your location. If sharing stops, immediately reboot the device, regrant persistent location permission, and disable any battery optimization or background data limits. Make sure the account used for sharing is signed in on both ends and test with a secondary device or friend. If problems persist, reset network settings as a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.